Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you detailed, no-nonsense reviews on products that matter. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Waring Commercial CAC134 blender jar. This clear 44 ounces jar is designed specifically for use with the BB155 and BB155S Waring Commercial blenders. Whether you're whipping up hot soups or blending cold beverages, this jar promises to be a reliable companion. But does it really deliver on that promise? Stick around as we find out. The Waring Commercial CAC134 blender jar is designed to offer versatility and durability, whether you're blending cold smoothies or hot sauces. The first thing to note is its size. With a 44-ounce capacity, it's perfect for medium to large batches, giving you ample space to blend ingredients without worrying about overflow. It's made of clear material, which means you can keep an eye on the contents as they blend. And it's not just for smoothies or juices. This jar can handle both hot and cold blending tasks, making it a good choice for everything from frozen fruit drinks to steaming soups. Now, let's talk about the user experience. First off, this jar fits perfectly on both the BB155 and BB155S blenders. This ensures compatibility and a secure fit during use, which is a must for anyone who's used to a blender that doesn't quite sit properly. When it comes to cleaning, this jar is relatively easy to maintain. Just a quick rinse or a run through the dishwasher, and you're good to go. If you've ever dealt with stubborn blending jars that trap food residue, you'll appreciate how easy this one is to clean. In terms of practical performance, the CAC134 jar is pretty straightforward. Whether you're blending something hot or cold, the performance is consistent. The clear design is a nice touch to add, allowing you to monitor your ingredients during blending. That can really help with achieving the perfect texture, especially for things like soups or smoothies where consistency matters. However, while it's built to handle both hot and cold ingredients, there's a limit to the heat tolerance, so always be mindful not to overheat it. Now, let's break down the strengths and weaknesses of this jar. On the positive side, it's incredibly durable. The clear design isn't just for aesthetics. It's made of a high-quality material that holds up well under pressure. The 44-ounce capacity is ideal for larger batches, so if you're preparing for a crowd or handling heavy-duty blending tasks, this jar has the size to handle it. It's also easy to clean, and as I mentioned, the fit on the BB155 and BB155S is spot on, which prevents annoying leaks or mishaps. On the flip side, some users may find the jar slightly bulky for smaller tasks. While the 44-ounce size is great for large blends, if you're looking for a smaller jar to blend just a single serving or a couple of ingredients, this could feel a bit oversized. Additionally, the clear plastic is durable, but over time it can show scratches and wear, especially if you're regularly using it for high-intensity tasks. And while it's advertised as both hot and cold compatible, there are still limits on how hot it can get without damaging the material. Now, is the Waring Commercial CAC134 blender jar worth the price? Given its solid build quality, ease of use, and compatibility with both hot and cold blending, it's definitely a good investment for those who need a reliable jar for commercial use or even for home use if you're frequently blending in larger quantities. That said, it's not the cheapest option available, and you can find smaller jars for less money, but the durability and capacity make it a worthwhile choice for many users. When it comes to alternatives, there are other blender jars on the market that offer similar sizes, but few offer the same level of durability and versatility. Some competitors may be priced lower, but they may not offer the same capacity or the reliability when it comes to blending both hot and cold ingredients. Waring's reputation in the commercial appliance space does set this jar apart from cheaper alternatives that might wear out quicker or struggle with heavy-duty tasks. In terms of build quality, this jar is built to last. The clear material doesn't just look good, it's tough, able to withstand both the rigors of blending tough ingredients and the occasional drop or bump. It's also dishwasher safe, which is always a plus. Longevity is key here, and based on Waring's track record in commercial-grade products, I expect this jar to last a long time if it's properly cared for. In terms of customer support, Waring is known for having solid service, especially for their commercial products. While I didn't need to contact them for this review, it's reassuring to know they're responsive and helpful should any issues arise. Their reputation for customer support in the commercial space is generally strong. To sum up, the Waring Commercial CAC134 blender jar is a solid option for those in need of a durable, versatile blender jar with a generous capacity. Whether you're making large batches of smoothies, hot soups, or sauces, this jar can handle it all. It does come at a price, but the quality and performance justify the cost if you're looking for something reliable for your Waring commercial blender. If you frequently blend larger quantities or work with both hot and cold ingredients, this jar will serve you well. Just be mindful that it might be a bit bulky for smaller tasks, and it's not entirely immune to scratches over time. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on a fresh review. You can find the product link in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more inside Reviews Inside TV.